summary. Let us summarize what we have learned in this module. Classification is arranging or organizing things into groups or classes based on some criteria. Raw data is the disorganized or unclassified data. In chronological classification, the data is classified in ascending or descending order with reference to time like months, years, weeks, quarters, etc. In spatial classification, the data is classified with reference to geographical locations like countries, states, cities, districts, etc. Classification of data done on the basis of attributes is called as qualitative classification. Quantitative classification is based on the presence or absence of another attribute which are in nature. Variable is the value that keeps on changing. A discrete variable can take only certain values. It jumps from one value to another, but it does not take fractional value, which is between two numbers or in between value. A continuous variable can take any value, whether it is fractional value, whole numbers, integers, value that are not exact fractions. Frequency distribution is a way through which we classify raw data which contains quantitative variable. Class limits are basically two ends of a class. The lowest value in the class is called as lower class limit, and highest value is called as upper class limit. Class interval is the difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit. Class midpoint is the middle value of a class. It is the halfway of the lower limit and upper limit of a class.